Welcome to Love and Trust Fishing.
A little risky because the path is pretty skinny. Okay, make sure you're on the right side, please.
This is risky.
It is risky.
I'm sweating right now.
What do they say?
I want them to just cut
No
that
risk, no reward. No risk, no reward.
But Dad, can I cast this out over here?
Find a shallower area,
But
please.
Dad, this is shallow.
It's not shallow.
Yes, it is.
It's still pretty deep. I want to stay under the bridge. Hot.
He's hot, and let's take everything off, Dad.
Okay, cast.
That's Gilbert.
Gilbert. Hey, Gilbert. Don't hook him. Gilbert, run. Or paddle. Or quack away. Go. Gilbert, go. What's his name? Gilbert Jr. Okay. This is a cool spot. Lots of rocks. Yeah.
Oh my God! Dad, what is that? Dad, what is that? Dad, you have to put on something big. Dad, what is that?
It's a sucker. Look
Oh
at this
my
guy.
God.
That's the biggest sucker I have ever
What's a
seen.
sucker?
I don't know what it is, but oh, it's so big.
Oh my God. Oh, Dad, let's take this to the pet market.
This is the one that's been pecking at it for a while.
No, Dad, that pecked at mine. No, Dad, I'm serious.
Yeah.
That's what it was pecking at my baby.
Oh my God, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna release it now.
Wait, Dad, do they bite?
Can you get the tool? This is
Dad.
huge, man. I don't know what it is.
Dad, as soon as you pulled it out, I was so shocked. Here, here's scissors.
No, not scissors, but the other one.
What other one? Oh, tweezers?
Oh, I think this is a carp, man.
Wait, Dad, there's carp here?
Yeah, it's a baby carp.
Dad, from now on, let's fish here for carp.
Show it to the camera.
Ooh,
Show it to the camera.
another cat. Can I hold him, Dad?
Yes.
Ooh. Sugar.
All right.
Say hi.
Okay, don't
Ooh, ooh. Say hi.
don't throw him this time.
Hello.
Just a regular release. Bye.
They're deep.
Finally got bait. Wow, bro.
They're strong.
I cannot believe that.
Dad, I told you the bumper was twitching.
Why didn't you grab that
Dad,
rod?
I told you the bumper was twitching, boy. Oh. Caught a bass. I told you the bumper was twitching. And then I just warned you that the bumper was down. I just told you that the bumper was down.
I'm Number 2 told you you're gonna catch a big bass. Well, medium size.
I mean, this
Show
is.
the camera.
Show it to the camera. Ooh, ow, ow, ow.
Ow, 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 ow,
Ow.
ow, ow, ow.
Ow, it doesn't help me. Oh my God, can I hold him? Dad, what happened?
Grand River bass. Okay. Show it to the cam. Show it to the cam.
Ooh.
Hold it at the belly, underside. Underside. Yeah, there you go.
Bass, Grand River, it's a river bass. Guys, you're recording me or releasing it?
Okay, you don't have to bend down, okay? Just drop them. Nice.
Dad, I just
That was
warned
pretty
you.
cool. Number 2.
I warned you that the bobber was down. Dad, I learned something. We're catching big fish now.
So finally we're on fish.
Finally, we got him. Wormy. Wormy the worm.
Just for entertainment purposes. There's the church. And then the dam. Real, good, real. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah. Real. Oh, you lost it, bro. Oh my God. It's okay. Real, Baba, real.
He's heavy.
Reel it. Nice.
Get it.
You got a bass, bro.
Again.
Woo.
But that's the same one.
No, it's not the same one.
That is the white belly.
There's so many of them in there. Nice.
Ooh.
All right.
He's huge.
Takes a little patience. Lots of patience.
That's so. Wait, Dad, it's an aggressive bass.
Oh, it's too cool. Yeah.
You are really
Okay, release. High five, man.
No. Can I hold it and then show them?
Yeah, it's dead now.
Look, that looks the hole in its body.
Yep.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.